All right, welcome everybody. We are back again at another NFP. This is a special NFP stream, and hopefully we can get something done today. We'll see. We shall see what's going on. But before we get to some things over here, I want to do something first. I want to do something first in the beginning. Okay, let's go to... Yeah, I don't think it's going to be a Royal Rumble. It's just going to be like whatever. But like, you know, at the same time, I think we have been consolidating for a very long time now. You can take a look at this consolidation area. We've been consolidating for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours. 6 hour long consolidation. Let's take a look at the numbers, what they're looking at. So they're anticipating okay numbers, which means that there's going to be... They're basically looking at no change. You know, that's what they're looking at this point. They're looking at no change at this point. Non-farm payroll, 147K. Previous was 142K. Unemployment rate, they're not looking at a much bigger change at all. 4.2, 4.2. That's about it. But the interesting thing is this. If you look at ADP was wildly better than what they were expecting. It was way better than what they were expecting. And gold had some sort of a movement. You know, so as what stands now, they're not looking at, you know, like, I mean, even if the numbers come up to like 147 or whatever, they're just going to be, I mean, not that big of a move is something that I'm not expecting. I mean, I don't know. We'll see. Because as we get closer to the last 15 minutes before the news and price starts to drop, normally we have seen that this drop usually happens because, you know, maybe we're grabbing liquidity to continue the other way. Because look at it this way. If the numbers come up as expected, right? If the numbers come up as expected, that is good for the US dollar, you know, because that's going to be considered as good news. If the numbers come in the vicinity of like, you know, 140,000, whatever, it's still going to be considered as good news. You know, the thing happens when the numbers are too low, then you get big movements, or numbers are too high, then you get big movements. So at this point now, you know, looking at the 30-minute here even, I mean, we'll just have to wait. I mean, looking at the daily, let me show you the daily here, right? Look at the daily. Actually, let's start to look at the weekly. So the weekly candle, it's closing doji at this point, right? We don't know whether this weekly candle will close bullish or it's going to close bearish. We don't know that, okay? Let's keep that thought in our mind. Let's go towards the daily. Looking at the daily, we can see that since the daily candle started, we moved bullish. Well, not me. Price moved bullish 100 pips. We moved bullish. We haven't really moved bearish yet, you know? So I do think if we're going to move bearish, we should break below 2654, 2654.50, okay? And that point on the 1 hour is 2654.50, right over here, 2654.50. If we move below 2654.50, that means there's a very high probability we will continue to push bearish. Hey, Chris, I'm good. Yeah, I need to send me 2 reminders. Trust me, people send me all sorts of reminders. Yeah, right. So this over here. Okay. Daily flips bearish below 2654.50. And this is something that I'm going to keep in my mind now. This right over here. Daily flips bearish below 2654.50. Last month I was up 5%, but this month because of today I didn't put stop loss. Ooh, within a minute there was heavy bearish candle. Ooh, which made me lose 4%. I'm very demotivated. That's okay. You only had one issue. That's it. You let one wrong decision affect your whole thing. It doesn't mean you're a bad trader. It was just one wrong decision. It's totally fine. No problem. Will you be hosting simulation this coming week? No. Next week, we will do a simulation. Next week. Why did you took sell yesterday on the third 15-minute candle instead of the second candle? Because I missed it. That's why. Oh, I took a trade today and I lost. Why would you look at a weekly chart when you go and target about 20 pips? Because it's about anticipating how the candle is going to go. You know, looking at the daily, it's anticipating where price is going to go. If we think that the daily candle can flip bearish below this low, then it has all this range for price to move into, 160 pip range. And then you go to the 4 hour, then you go to the 1 hour, then you go to the smaller time frame, then you decide how you're going to take. Because man, trust me, it's not about getting 20 pips. It's about how often are you getting 20 pips? How often are you getting 20 pips? Yeah, it's also called top-down analysis. Thank you, Fazan. I'm already up 30% now just before the stream. Now planning not to trade. No, don't risk anything, Josefa. Don't risk anything. Have you been profitable every month since 2018? No. But after 2019, I've been profitable every month. What about today's news? Yeah, just waiting over here. Just waiting. Probably going to use some maybe buy stops and sell stops for NFP. Buy stops or sell stops for NFP. NFP. All right, let's put this over. Okay, let's make this a little bit bigger for our blind viewers with visual disabilities so they can see it. Awesome. After going through MFU and applying the concepts, I made enough profit to cover my fee. Oh, nice, Sheikh Zain. Beautiful. See, this is what I like. Like trading in a way that you can cover your fee for the next month. That's amazing. I mean, 1% today, so not going to trade. Awesome. This session is amazing. Thank you. It's going to get even more amazing once we get NFP coming up in about 18 minutes. 18 minutes. Yes, Dar, Mr. Dar, here we are again. Do you do long-term swing trades? No, I only do short-term trades. Short-term trades, quick scalps. That's it. It's a trade I took last night, right over here. This is another trade. Oh, this was a losing trade over here. This was another losing trade over here. So far I've lost 2 trades in this month. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades. 6 trades taken so far. I love the way you're doing it. Thank you. I'm losing up to 2018. What's your recommendation? 1 to 2 trades a day. Trust me, 1 to 2 trades a day. How much money did you lose before becoming profitable? Listen, it's not about the amount that you have to lose before becoming profitable. You can be profitable without losing any kind of money at all. Like, losing money is not fun, Like, you shouldn't look forward to, this guy lost $10,000, so if I lose 10,000, it's fine. No. You shouldn't lose money in the beginning anyway. But, if you know how to manage risk, you know how to, cut your losses short, then you're going to be at an advantage. Can you show your previous trades quickly? No, I'm probably going to do a breakdown later on for MFU. But right now we are here at NFP. Love from Pakistan. Chaudhry Iftikhar Hussain, thank you so much. It's not better to take buy or sell 10 seconds before, I don't know. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to try to rub my mind over here. And I'm going to try to see whether I should take a market sell or a market buy. So far with this market buy and market sell with NFP, I am at break even, so I'm going to try my luck. It's going to be the best of 3 today. It's going to be a best of 3 today, so we're going to see. Sometimes the support is formed and I've seen you execute buys as the next candle opens and boom. Sometimes you wait for the high to broken. How do you decide? That's just experience. That's honestly just experience. I'll have to look at those specific examples, but mostly, it all comes from experience, intuition. Your intuition plays a big role. What do you do if you're in a losing week? You just stop trading. Oh, wow. I had a bunch of losses in the beginning of the week over here. See right here, Monday. Started Monday with losses. Yeah, 3, 4, 5, $7,000 down. Started Monday. Sell is way better. Bearish is way much stronger. Yeah, like, but also maybe this move down is grabbing liquidity for price to continue to push up. Maybe we're just grabbing liquidity for it to continue to push up. I'm gonna monitor this thing over here because it just can't just drop, राजा जी पिंडी इस्लामाबाद सारा जैम हुआ है भाई, ना निकले आप बाहर, इसलिए मैं उधर इस्लामाबाद एक्सप्रेस वे पे मैं जाता ही नहीं उस वजह से. I try not to trade news, but it's tempting. I think greed is our worst enemy. Yeah, man, that's true. That is true. I do think this is a liquidity grab for price to continue to push up. But I can't take this thought out of my mind that this daily candle hasn't really moved bearish. But if it's going to move bearish, I think it should be breaking below. It should be breaking below this area right over here, 2654.50. It should be breaking below 2654.50 for the daily candle to continue pushing down. So we'll see. I'm closing all my trades now. Very nice. I have a big problem. My account is 1,500 euros. Then I go up to 1,700 in a few days. Then I go all the way down to 1,400. Repeat. Oh, maybe you're not managing risk. That's it. Maybe you're not managing risk, or maybe what you should do is you should withdraw $138, okay, and come in Market Fluidity University for a month. Here, I'm going to post a link here in YouTube. For a month. For a month, come in and let's see how it goes. Yesterday, had a loss and wiped all my profits from Monday. Hope to receive a good analysis from you. Brother, listen. So you lost all your profits from Monday, all of them. So maybe today you shouldn't even think about trading them, right? You shouldn't even think about trading them. If Raja is buying, then you should sell with full margin because it's the best indicator. Wow. Usman has now stroked my ego a little bit. Usman said if Raja is buying, just take a sell. You take the opposite trade of Raja, you will win. Wow. Now you have stroked my ego. What am I going to do now? Wow. I would like to be honest enough. I watch MFP 75 times a week. Trend setup. I suck on impulse entries. That's perfectly fine. Normal. Rocked on trend and counter trend. Setup. Was confused about taking profit placement, TP, but video placement. Oh, nice. Thank you, man. Thank you, Huzafa. I really appreciate it. हाँ जी उस्मान साहब, Mr. Usman, location भेजिए ना जरा अपनी आप. Send location, fatafat. Wish I could trade, got no money. Well, then you should leave the stream. Maybe open up a stream about how to make money. What's your buy stop and sell stop, please? None. There's no buy stop or sell stop at this point. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait over here. I am going to wait because I need some confidence to take a market order buy. So I'm going to be executing a market order buy, but I have to use my brain now, to execute a market order buy, and then gold can continue to push up. Now, the issue is we have this support, right? We have the support 2657. And if this candle stays above 2657, I think that's going to be a very good idea for price to continue to push up. So we'll see. Anas Chima Usman from Sialkot. Wajiwa. Okay, Mendika. Let's take a look at this over here. Oh, nice ones. Very nice. Plan is 1% a week. So if I get to it, should I stop trading for the week? Yes. You should stop trading for the week. But at the same time, you should start to anticipate trades as well. Anticipate trades. What's this? Bro, what's your delay on live? I think there's a 5-second delay or 10-second delay. Raja, you make so much money with property and you brokerage. Why don't you pay a professional trader to teach you how to trade and you can show us on live stream? No, Ryan, why don't you do that? Prove him wrong by taking a full margin trade? No. No full margin trade. I'm going to use maybe like a 20 lot. Yeah, I'll use a 20 lot. As a broker, you have all the visibility of orders. Why don't you use it? What am I going to use it for? We have like, currently we have what, like 18,000 orders open at this point. 18,000 orders we have open at this point on our whole platform. It's impossible to look at those orders. Like, we don't look at orders in that way. Like, from a brokerage perspective, we only see volume. Like, okay, X amount of orders are buys, X amount of orders are sells. Individually, we'll have to open up each and every client to see what they're doing, blah, 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 blah. That's a lot of work. Like, so all we see is flow. Flow, is it positive? Is it negative flow? So like, that's all what we see. Was this luck? Let's see over here. Okay, so you took a sell over here. You took a sell. Depends how you took the sell. You took the sell as the candle formed, the 15-minute, but your stop loss was there. That's good. It's better to have a stop loss than no stop loss. It's better to have a stop loss than a mental stop loss. Mental stop loss don't work. Normally, you take roughly 18 to 25 pips. Could you share psychology of staying and taking 60 pips yesterday? So yesterday was something different. I wasn't expecting price to move up the way it did. It moved up really quick. I was expecting price to come up towards 2657, 2658, but it moved up really quick. So I basically got lucky with that. So this month average has been like what? Like around 20 pips average. 20 pips average. So we got 9 minutes left over here. 9 minutes left for NFP. All right, look at that. We're still rejecting this area over here, 2657. 2657. If in the last 5 minutes, price starts to drop, I am going to take a buy. Oh, wow, look at that. Closed 90%, left 10% running. Beautiful. Very nice. That's absolutely beautiful. I opened trading account in Dominion Markets because of pips difference issue in my broker when I placed order, maybe of TradingView also. Oh, okay. No, because it like when you execute an order, everything is done in like milliseconds. You shouldn't even be able to feel it, but like some platforms add a little bit of a latency to orders, so your orders get executed later, and that difference is basically the profit of the platform, the brokerage, basically. That's that small little difference. So if you have about, let's say, I don't know, like let's say you have 10,000 lots going in every day, and there's like a difference of like 0.5 pip, that comes up to like like some profits. Take sell. Monthly candle has no bottom wick. No, buddy. Monthly candle is also just started 4 days ago. So it doesn't matter. Hello, Bahab. How are you? What should I do when I fail my second chance of trade? Just call it a day. Just call it a day. All right. So looks like we're going to stay above 2657, and I think it's going to be better to open up a market buy order for NFP with no stop loss, with no stops. That's what we're going to do. That's what we're going to do. By the way, me trading news, it does not define the way how I trade normally, okay? News trading is extremely dangerous. It's extremely risky. It's as close to gambling as it can get. You'd rather go play roulette than trade news. Raja, you are the greatest scammer I have ever seen. Okay, Numan Khan, जाके अपने पियो को भी ऐसे बोलो कि अबू जी आप तो हैं जी fraudulent scammer. I'm new here. I have $8,000. Which lot size do you prefer? You have $8,000. I think if you have $8,000, I think you should withdraw 4,000. You should keep 4,000, and you should go with like a 40-cent lot. Yeah, because if you don't know what lot size to use, then you got way too much money to play with. The prediction is that if I see price dropping in the last 5 minutes, I am going to execute a buy. on NFP. Because I think the way price is moving down at this point, we're grabbing liquidity to continue to push up. I may be wrong. I may be wrong. It's a 50-50. It's a 50-50 outcome. It's a 50-50 outcome. You never know. Do you review your trades per year to know your best and worst month? No, I never do that. It's a lot of time, When you wait for 30-minute candle to close, then why you usually take trades in 15-minute for extra confirmations? Why do we in market don't provide bonus equity when deposit capital as other are providing? Because we don't internalize the flow. We don't internalize your orders. Your orders are sent out to liquidity. Like a lot of brokerages, they will give you bonus deposits for like months and months and months because they're internalizing all the flow. So, are you going to use the buy stop? No, I'm going to use a market order. We're coming up. We're about 4.5 minutes left now. 4.5 minutes left now. And you can see how price is dropping. It should drop some more. So I can take a market order buy at this point because let's remove all this. Yeah, see the 4-hour candles coming down. If we break below 26.54, we're going to go all the way down towards 26.41. We're going all the way down to 26.41 if we break below 26.54. All the way down over here. It's a clean range on the 4-hour candle. Clean range on the 4-hour candle. To be honest, the way this 30-minute candle is closing, now since my analysis is not here, the way how the 30-minute candle is closing, it has no wick on the top, which means it has heavy bearish volume coming in. So we may also move down. Wow, it's crazy. This is crazy. What should I do? The key is this. The key is this zone right over here. The key is this area right here. We need to stay above 26.57. We need to stay above 26.57 for price to continue to push up. Stop loss, there's no stop loss. I bet Asia and London was wick of daily and now we push down. Yeah, maybe, or we may continue to push up. Who knows? But I'm waiting over here now. I have to wait, man. Look at this 15-minute. Also remember, if you use pending orders, your pending orders can get slipped like crazy. Okay, so if you listen to me very, very carefully again. If you are using pending orders, your orders can get slipped. And they will get slipped. Your pending orders, if you use any pending orders, they will get slipped. Your stops will get slipped. Like all that shit can happen. So yeah, we got about 2 minutes left over here now. Head and shoulders. No. Oh, wow. Look, we're moving down now. Okay, awesome. This is good. The more down we go, it's grabbing liquidity and price will continue to push up. This is the kind of a trade I've taken before in NFP. I've taken this kind of trade before in NFP where price is dropping before the news. And then like this drop, we consider this as a liquidity grab. I took buys and price continued pushing up. That did happen. If it goes down very fast and then up very fast, you can't know. Then you're fucked. If it goes down very fast, goes up very fast, then you're fucked. Then it's going to be very difficult at that point. Why your voice is down? I don't know. Turn your speakers up. Okay, so we got a minute left here now. Are we ready with our... I think if we can open up 500 lot or like 1,000 lot buys, we can maybe move price by 2 pips. That's it. 2 pips. Okay, boys and girls, here we go. 20 lots. It's moving down at this point, which I think we're grabbing liquidity for price to continue to push up. So with that said, I will execute a buy. Again, this is This is the highest form of degenerate gambling at this point. There's no analysis over here. News trading is risky. You can lose money, all bad things. All the bad things that you think can happen to you, they can happen to you when you're trying to trade news, especially the way I'm trading news. So manage your risk. Understand how you have your risk intact. Understand how much you're willing to lose. And the rest is just whatever, So I got a buy open over here now because I think we are grabbing liquidity to probably continue pushing bullish. If we push down, then wow, okay, wow, look at this, boys and girls. Wow, man. God damn, 26.54 all day. Can't even do anything at this point now. Can't do nothing at this point now. This who knew I mean, well, to be fair, we did close below 26.57. Let's just do another chance over here. Let's do another chance. Can we get Yeah, wow, this was just insane drop over there. I don't even want to look how much I lost. I think the last I saw was like 24,000. So I think Usman wins this one. Where is Usman over here? Thank God, staying on the sideline. Yeah, good thing you stayed on the sideline. Where is Usman? Usman won over here today. What's this? I was in sell. You scared me when you took the buy and I closed my position. Wow, so you closed your position. I hate news, always runs perfectly good action. But man, wow, look at this drop. What was the news event anyway? All right, let's see this over here. 254. Damn. 4.1, 0.4, 254. Wow, this is badass news outcome. This is super bad news outcome. You forgot to say, oh no, yeah, I mean, 24,000. Now I'm down to 11,000 for this month. Okay. Not bad. 121. See, that's why I lowered my lot sizes at this point, because I didn't want to. Yeah, no, this would have turned out really, really, really bad if I moved with 40 lots, 20 lots. No one likes a $40,000 drop, but man, that's crazy. What's this over here? I got 200 pips some sell. Oh, nice, very nice, beautiful, good job. It's good. Some people won today. I will always go opposite you. Yeah, no, that's fine. But now let's take a look at the daily over here. Yeah, daily broke its own low, continued down to fill this wick. So I mean, those analysis, right? Look at the weekly. Weekly also went down. 4-hour continued to fill this whole range over here, going for the previous daily low. Yeah, to be fair, it's tapping into this low over here too. But to be honest, after this, I'm not trying to trade after this. Are you coming to India in December? Maybe. That's a rich man's laugh. No one is happy losing 20,000, because in my mind I'm thinking, man, I could have done so much for 20,000. My equity is negative 30 euros. Well, welcome to slippage. Buy is really looking weak, to be honest. Yeah, no, there's no buys over here. Rajaji, hum to bad gaye. All right, let's see over here. What was this? 24. Yeah, lost about 3.7%. Yeah, we got money. Just cleared 100 pip range with news. Oh, nice. Let's see what pound yen did. Ooh, pound yen continued to push up over here. Possibility of V-shaped recovery. V-shaped recovery? I don't know, man. I don't know, because I think that there is a possibility that this shit can continue to push down, because the news came out very, very, very positive. News was very, very, very positive, So we may have some consolidation, and maybe by NYC Open, we may continue to push down. Yeah. News was very, very positive. I'm just skipped today, but this week all profit. Oh, nice. Vesi Nazare, very, very nice. Ending the week in profits is good. What's the main direction of the trend? Well, right now the trend direction is bearish. The trend direction. Wow, look at this stupid ass 1 minute candle over here. 165 pips. Look at this one over here. 5 minute candle straight down. Wow. Yeah, Mendika. Yeah, they did a very good analysis here. Y'all know what you're doing here. Y'all who want to talk, I'm below my new bridge home. Man, I'm going to join you in that new bridge home too. I'm going to join you in that home. All right, let's take a look at this over here. Yeah, not trying to do anything over here. Lesser money to spend in Bangkok. Yeah, Chris, we'll have to make some money back now for Bangkok. We got to stick to the buy stop, sell stop gambles. No, because a sell stop would have been slipped. But you know, to be honest, still would have made money with the sell stop because it just continued to drop. Are you making support resistance in 4-hour levels? Both. 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute, you know, in both of them. I lost 50% of my account. Beautiful. I also lost 24,000 in the last 6 months. Oh, okay. Last 6 months. Can I buy now? No. Right now, this is the time where you close your charts and you call it a day. You call it a day. Nothing to do here now. Let's take a look at this over here. Wow, look at that. So painful. Negative 24,000. So painful. So painful. Hello, Raja, news loser. Yeah, hello. Number one, never trade news. Yeah, never, ever trade news. Trading news is straight up gambling. You know, this could have went up. This could have went down. Who knows? Lost last month 14,000 on gold. Oh, yes. How do you get over with the big loss? Nothing. It's 3.7% of my loss. Current week, I'm up still in profits. I made sure I didn't lose my profits. So, you know, I'm up, like I can still end the week with profits, you know. So it depends on how much you're risking. It all depends on how much you're risking. Dawn Wu is like, I don't even want to talk about Dawn Wu at this point. Is the mid market coming to the Dubai Expo? No. They were asking way too much money for the Dubai Expo. They doubled their prices. So I said to them, they even lowered the price for us, but I said to them, listen, for the amount you're asking now, I can host three events in 3 different countries with 100 to 150 people in attendance. So, like, you know, the return on investment on those are going to be way more. Ooh, lost 2,500 with 1 candle, 5 minute, made it back 5 minutes from support. Oh, nice. Beautiful. Well done. Big balls. Man, when Raja says news trading is gambling, yeah, of course it's gambling. It's straight up, it's a straight up adrenaline rush. That's all what it is. It's straight adrenaline. You can't control stops. You can't control nothing. You're at the mercy of wherever the price is going to go. You know, some days, like, there's been NFPs I've made, like, you know, 40,000, 45,000, you know, and then there's been NFPs where I've lost, like, there was one CPI I lost like 55,000, you know, so keeping that in mind, 24K is not bad. Actually, 28,000 today. Yeah. Fund my account. Raja can't make return $30. I don't know. Go get a job. Buyer will take it from here. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, again, I took a buy today. This time I took a buy. Did I trade last NFP? Did I trade August NFP? When was August NFP? Let's take a look over here. How did we do in August NFP? Non-farm payrolls, go over here. This was on the 2nd of August. 2nd of August. Oh yeah, right over here. Oh yeah, right here. 2nd August. Made about 11,000. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I made about 17,000. 17,000 I made in the last NFP. Yeah, this time it was a losing NFP. Most of the time you lost, man. Then why you can't stop this? I don't know. I just enjoy it. You know, I literally enjoy it. I enjoy this. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. But if you quit after you lose, then what's the point of doing anything? What's the point of taking risks in life when all you're going to think about is, man, I'm just going to lose. I'd better stop. You know, there was something I was telling someone. There's something I was telling someone yesterday. The guy is like, hey, man, like, look, I keep posting on social media, but nothing gains traction. And I tell him, bro, look, the social media is like a lottery, right? It's like a free lottery you play every day. You keep posting, you keep posting, you keep posting. Someday, one of your content is going to go viral or like semi-viral, right? It's going to get over like 250K views, you know, like, or like over 300K views. And that one content may bring you business. So I keep posting, I keep trying. Like it's a game, you know, you got to keep on trying. Pakistan news पहले release हो जाती है time. No, it doesn't happen like that, bro. Pakistan में news पहले release हो जाती है. Time difference पैंचो ईद का चांद थोड़ी है कि भाई यहाँ पहले आ गया उधर बाद में. News comes out at the same time, bro. This it's not. No. What about Dominion funding? Yeah, we're still working on it. We got the tech ready. We're just getting some final paperwork done, and then we'll see. Why you not just donate the money instead of gambling at news? You better give to me than 24K. Okay. Is Market Fluidity only breakdown of your trades? Any explaining advanced trading? Yep, it's a whole database. It's a complete database. Can we buy it now? No. Why you want to buy it now? Why do you want to take a buy now? Silver also down. Yeah, silver also down at this point. Look at this pound. Wow. Look at this pound yen. What's the highest you've made trading NFP? Not much. I think it was like 40,000 I made once with NFP. 45,000. Yeah, that's it. Nothing like, never had like a 6-figure trade with NFP. Never. Because I've always risked less, you know. Social media, the video game, every day people try to gain a certain high score. Yeah, that's true. And social media, like if your business is on social media, you're going to grow. You're going to grow. There are two types of people who use social media, the consumers and the producers. So you got to decide what end are you on. Are you on the consumer end or are you on the producer end? You know, I'm on the producer end. Sell again, no. Raja, I live on Palm. Happy to give you some tips. Later, come St. Regis for a coffee. I'll teach you. No, you keep living on your Palm. How can buy your course? I don't know. No idea how you can buy my course. Do you think it will go down? I don't know. I don't know. Need to see some sort of market structure form first. You know, the 5 minute is creating market structure. I think if we do break below here, I think we can continue to push down. Because news is, like the news outcome was wildly positive. And as we move closer to NYC Open, I think anything below 2640, we can continue to push down. Yeah. You are a genuine trader. Why you trade news? I don't know. I just like the adrenaline. I like the adrenaline. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Right there. 2640. Fill the wick over here, which is what, like 29, 30 pips. And then boom, boom, boom by NYSE. You need a video editor. No, I'm good. I edit my own videos. Actually, I don't really care about editing videos. Like you've seen my videos on YouTube. I really don't care how they look, how they seem. I couldn't really care. Like I don't even do a full introduction. I just go right into it. WAP will also be off. Yes, WAP will also be off. Are you waiting for a retest? No, I'm waiting for this 30-minute candle to close, and then I'll see what's going to happen with NYSE. So I'm going to wait for the 30-minute candle to close. Video, yes, exactly. But anyway, guys, I'm going to head off. It's Friday, you know, ending the day early over here. So take care, everyone. We will see you on Monday with the London stream. But please don't run after your losses at this point. There's no point in running after your losses. There's no point. All right. Take care. We'll see you Monday.